Oh, oh, oh. Good day. Today I will be extracting DNA from banana. So the objective here is to obtain the DNA material in the banana and make a video demo presentation of the extraction process, which is this video. So for the materials, we have the ripe banana, we have a half cup of water, we have a teaspoon of salt, I have the measuring cups here, I have a resealable Ziploc, so it's a Ziploc, I have a dishwashing soap, and rubbing alcohol here, coffee filter, this will work, a narrow glass, and a wooden stir or barbecue stick, which is, I'll just use this one. For the first step of the procedure, I'm going to put the alcohol and in the refrigerator so that it will stay cool. The second step for the procedure is to peel the banana and put the banana in the Ziploc. So I'm going to do just that. Peel this. There. And we're going to lock it in. Now, I'm going to mash the banana until it has no chunks or until it has a consistency of like a pudding. So let me just do that. Just a little bit more. And there we have it. Okay, so for the next step of the procedure, I'm going to fill this Ziploc with hot water with hot salt water. So it's going to be 1 teaspoon of salt water. It's going to be 1 teaspoon of salt. So here, this is 1 teaspoon. Okay, so this is the 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to put it in the hot water. So after that, we're just gonna sit for a bit, then we're gonna put it here. Okay, so we're going to put the salt water and the hot salt water in the bag. So carefully there. I'm gonna zip it. Wash it for about 30 to 45 seconds. I think that's enough. So yeah. Wait, just some chunks. For the next step, we're going to fill this bag with a teaspoon of dishwashing soap. So let me just do that. So this is the teaspoon of dishwashing soap, and we're going to put it in this bag. Like so. Okay, now again we're going to mix it for a bit and make sure that it's not too foamy. As you can see, it's foamy, but it's not too much. I think it's too much, but okay, so the next step will be putting the coffee filter on the clear glass cup and pouring the contents in here. So this will work just fine. So gonna now we're going to wait for a bit and we will see the liquid byproduct of that. For the next step, we're gonna take this out now since it is complete, and we're going to put the alcohol from the refrigerator in this glass cup. So this is the alcohol, and we're going to pour it in until it has a 1 to 2 inches of thickness. So we're going to do this slowly because we want the banana mixture and the alcohol to be separated. So we're going to pour it in this side slowly. There we go. See? Just a little bit more now. I think this is good enough now. So we're going to let it sit for 8 minutes and see how it goes. 8 minutes. Okay, so for the next step now and the final step is to stir the mixture and see a stringy like substance, and that will be the DNA. So like this, and there we have it. This is it po, the DNA. So this is the DNA po from the banana, and thank you po for watching.